We're in the Chromium-based web browser for Microsoft Edge, and I'm going to show you how to print. So if we go to the three dots at the top, and you see the print option here, we click on print, and we click the drop down. You can either save it as a PDF, or you can send it to a printer that you may have. Now if you don't have a printer, you can click on Add Printer and you'll get the Add Print wizard that will show up from Systems in Windows 10, and then it will add it in, and then you can print to that printer so you can get a physical page. We can also print either portrait or landscape, and we can see the preview of what that will look like before you hit the print button. You can print all pages or specific ones, so if you want just page 1 and 3, etc., you can put commas in between the areas that you want. You can also change the color to black and white if you want to save a little money on print cartridges, and you can see it looks like black and white now. And you also have the option for the More settings, which shows what looks like in regular the print box that pops up that you would see, say, from Microsoft Office, say if you're printing from Word. And when you're all ready, just hit the print button, and then you'll be able to print from your Chromium-based Microsoft Edge browser.